today we're going to talk about one of the best spin writers out there in the market. If you're not familiar about spin writing, then it is actually creating one genuine article out of another without really changing the meaning of it. And in the eyes of Google, we're going to present a new article without really doing anything productive, and just changing the slight variations of one article into another. So how do we do that? So today we're going to review SpinWriter. It is a great software which has been in the market since 2011. That's really a long time for a software to be in the market. So it really shows how the software is working out and how frequently it is innovating and upgrading itself to keep in touch, to keep its pace with the market. So we are here at the backend dashboard of SpinWriter, and Spin Rewriter is actually a very simple software and a very productive software to use. If you want to buy it after the review, after looking at the review, you can buy through this link present in the description below. With that, we'll be also offering you some creator bonuses that you can see right here. These are some of the bonuses being offered by the creators. It's a content screener for $39.95. There's an article helper, there is an article intro videos, there's 30-minute keywords, it's an ebook, content marketing strategies, so on. And if you buy through my link, then obviously I'll be giving you some extra bonuses with that. I'll be offering you 40 bonuses which are worth somewhere around $3,000. So you can check this out. I'll leave the link in the description below. You can check out all the bonuses there and then, and decide if you want to go through this or not. Okay, so coming back to Spin Rewriter, it's a very simple tool to use. We're going to just do a single article rewriting just for this video's purpose. Okay, so we're just going to log into this. I already have an account with Spin Rewriter, so I'm just going to try out one article. If you have an article and if you are into affiliate marketing, or you have a money making site, or you have if you're into website, web 2.0, and if you really need content on a daily basis and you're not hands-on very good with writing content, then this is something just for you. I use it all the time. I use it for my articles, I use it for my affiliate sites, just to produce new and unique content which you need on a daily basis as on this date. So coming back to this software, we're just going to rewrite a single article. If you don't have an article, no problem, you can fetch a new article from their database. They have a library of I think around about 1 million articles or 100,000 articles. So we're just going to go, for this video's purposes, we're going to go with guitar lessons. So we're just going to fetch an article about that. Yeah, so it has an article database of 126,000 articles, which is quite a lot, and it is almost for every niche out there that we can get an article on. So just like you can see, all these articles are on guitar lessons. So we're just going to choose one. We're just going to choose playing bass guitar made easy with bass guitar tabs. Just going to use insert article. I've used this. It's pretty easy to do, pretty easy to use, and it works like magic, right? You can choose to fix grammar here, or you can choose the settings tab just in case you want to change something. So here you can see the sentences and paragraphs, whatever you want to change. You can rewrite articles on sentence paragraph level. You can change the toggle on of automatically rewrite sentences, or automatically rewrite entire paragraphs, or you want to write new paragraphs and summaries, or you want to automatically change the structure of phrases and sentences. You can do that as well. You can change everything, whatever you like. It all depends on you, but remember one thing: whatever you change, the more changes you make, the less readable it becomes, because if you let the AI do what it wants to do, it's going to create a unique article. And if you're not happy with it, of course you can go ahead and toggle these things on. But with my past experiences, I've seen that sometimes the articles are not well readable, that may have come out of checking these things off. So we're just going to go ahead and check this. We're just going to go and rewrite the article now. So as you can see, it doesn't take a lot of time to create the article, and we're just going to be good to go, I think, with the article in the next step. So SpinWriter will automatically create synonyms to create unique articles. You can disable auto-click rewriting settings. So as you can see, this is the article that is being created in the back of the screen. And if you're not familiar with spun articles, it's basically, hi, how are you doing? If you are, have an article which says, hi, how are you doing? And if you spin it, it's going to become, hello, how are you doing? Or hello, what's up, anything. The meaning would be same, but the words would be different. So for in Google's eyes, it'll be a unique and a different article altogether. Okay, so as you can see, this has a 99% uniqueness, billions of possible versions. You can create more articles, you can create more versions out of it. Like I told you, this is the spun article. If you are reading now in one article, it can show if you are reading bass guitar tabs. In the other article, it might show if you read bass guitar tabs, or if you read bass guitar tabs, anything of that sort, but the meaning would be same, right? You get the point. So these are some things that we can do. One click rewrite, save for later, or finalize article. If you want, you can rewrite the article. If you don't want to, we can just finalize the article. Really simple to do. We're just going to finalize the article. It's going to saved in the archive tab. So as you can see, your article has been finalized and saved to your archive. You can now generate unique versions of your article below. You want to generate a unique versions, you can go ahead with that. We also have a WordPress plugin for this. Of course, I think you'll have to upgrade to get that. There are some upsells in this in this software, like this gold membership is there. If you want, the pricing is somewhere around 1 second. Yeah, okay. So the pricing currently, I think they're running a deal and they are offering this for $77 for 1 year. Otherwise, they have this monthly plan, $47, and a one-time lifetime plan of $497. I wouldn't recommend you to go for the lifetime plan. I think if you have the budget, you can go for this 1 year plan. And for more details about more in-depth features, you can check out my review in the description below. I'll also leave out the link to buy, and whenever you buy it, just mail out the receipt to me, and I'll be offering you and sending you the bonuses over mail in about 24 hours. Alright, so this was it. Not much to do in this software. Pretty easy to understand, pretty easy to do. So I hope you liked it. If you did, please like the video, comment and share the videos among your friends, and subscribe to my channel so that I can get more software and updates in the future for you. Alright, thank you.